Terra specializes in manufacturing high-performance cleanroom doors for controlled environments including healthcare, pharmaceutical, and GMP-compliant facilities. Terra's BioSafe manual swing doors are available in 304 or 316 stainless steel. They are designed to fit flush with the wall and eliminate gaps or crevices that could harbor particulates and debris. Automatic swing doors offer all stainless steel designs with medical-grade, USP-compliant hardware and components. They are ideal for hands-free access in controlled environments like hospitals, pharmacies, and surgical theaters. External mount automatic doors feature a stainless steel track mounted outside the wall, making them ideal for retrofit projects or installations without recessed frames. Our automatic swing doors also come with a durable powder-coated aluminum frame that offer hands-free operation with integrated motion sensors, advanced power assistance for open and close speed control. Pre-hung manual swing doors with EPS foam insulation offer a lightweight, GMP-rated solution for pharmaceutical and sterile processing applications. External mount automatic sliding doors, featuring a powder-coated aluminum frame, offer easy retrofit installation and microprocessor-controlled operation for optimized performance. Powder-coated aluminum manual swing doors are designed for cleanroom environments, offering a range of viewing panel options, including acrylic, tempered glass, polycarbonate, and static dissipative PVC. For large equipment transfers, high-speed roll-up doors provide an ideal solution. Made from cleanroom-compatible materials, they feature a stainless steel housing, touch panel operation, and built-in safety mechanisms. All doors are designed for 1,000,000 life cycles, long operational lives with minimal maintenance. Shop Terra Universal online to explore a comprehensive selection of cleanroom door systems, accessories, viewing panels, and motion sensor systems.